Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, the Near Miss Christmas. Minnie points to the calendar and smiles. Before we know it, she says, Christmas will be here and Santa will be too. He's probably reading our Dear Santa letters right now, adds Daisy. When did you mail them, Donald? Mail the letters? Asked Donald. It must have been... Oh no! I forgot to mail them! Forgot? Says Goofy. I guess I lost track of the time, mumbles Donald. That's okay, says Mickey. We can still get our wish list to Santa before it's too late. Donald and Mickey hop into the Toon Plane and fly toward the North Pole. The problem is solved until the wish list blows right out of Donald's hand. Oh, pickle juice. But Mickey keeps flying. He searches the sky for the wish list and spots it in the grasp of a little red bird. Gosh, it's a little late for a bird to be flying south for the winter, Mickey says. Maybe he lost track of the time too, Donald suggests. Thanks for finding our list, little fellow. At the North Pole, Santa's happy to get the gang's wish list. I've been waiting for this, he says. When Santa hears the story of Donald's forgetfulness, he laughs and laughs. No harm done, Santa chuckles. But now I've got to start my trip. After all, I don't want to be late too. On Christmas morning, the gang receives every present on the wish list. Donald gets a big clock too. Santa left a message for you, Donald, says Mickey. He says this clock will remind you that it's never too late. Too late for what? Asks Donald. That's easy, answers Mickey with a smile. It's never too late to be on time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And for more Christmas stories, check out my Christmas Stories playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Happy holidays.